my name is Wei Jiang. I'm the co-founder of Craft Health as well as CEO.
Hi, my name is Seng Han. I'm the co-founder for Craft Health. We are a healthcare technology company. Basically, what we aim to do is to simplify the way that people, consumers or patients take their supplements or their medicine. Like our company slogan itself, your health simply crafted.
So I first heard about Sleek services actually through our own research, and also because I was from NUS, National University of Singapore, one of the incubation programs called GRIP, and that's where they recommended Sleek to us. So we had done our prior research, it was recommended by the university, and it clicked for us.
The really biggest reason why we look for a company secretary is because both myself and my co-founder, we are first-time entrepreneur, and there are so many things that we are not familiar with. And I think at this juncture, I would like to thank Sleek for helping us to organize all these messy documents into such a neat and tidy way.
What I'm looking for in a service provider is that it's efficient, it's fast, and relatively inexpensive, especially for a startup like us. I've been most impressed by Sleek Sign. It's offered by Sleek. So basically, Sleek Sign allows you to sign your documents anywhere, even on the go. And I think that's very important. To me, the value in that is that if you have multiple investors coming on board, it allows you to get all of them to sign the documents, especially if there are a lot of documents. And it's very difficult to get all of them to sign documents physically. So that's where I can see the value for Sleek Sign.
I think I would recommend Sleek to all my peers and all my juniors in the GRIP program itself. Any budding entrepreneur, I think Sleek is a good choice for them.
I would recommend Sleek to all first-time founders and even repeat startup entrepreneurs, because it really takes the hassle out of starting your own company, and so that you can really focus on what really matters in running your own company.